Welcome to AI Frontiers. In this episode, we explore recent advances in artificial intelligence, specifically highlighting research from July 30th, 2025. We'll analyze key themes, discuss breakthrough findings, and take an in-depth look at argumentatively coherent judgmental forecasting, while also exploring future directions and ethical considerations. The challenge of AI replicating human auditory perception is significant. Consider focusing on one conversation in a noisy environment, a task humans perform effortlessly. AI struggles to replicate this ability. This episode will explore research attempting to bridge this performance gap, showcasing the remarkable capabilities of the human auditory system. Welcome to AI Frontiers. In this podcast, we will be exploring recent research papers in the field of computer science, artificial intelligence, abbreviated cs.AI. We aim to uncover common themes and significant findings, demystifying complex concepts for a broad audience, regardless of your AI expertise. Artificial intelligence involves creating machines that can think, learn, and act intelligently. This interdisciplinary field incorporates computer science, mathematics, neuroscience, and philosophy. It encompasses various applications, from chess-playing algorithms to surgical robots. AI can be envisioned as a vast forest with deep learning representing the towering trees. One dominant theme in recent AI research is the application of large language models, or LLMs. These AI models are trained on massive text datasets and can mimic human language. Current research explores their application in diverse domains, such as enhancing manufacturing knowledge access through natural language queries. LLMs effectively serve as AI-powered technical assistants. The AI models are often trained on data, which can inadvertently perpetuate societal biases. This can lead to discriminatory outcomes. Researchers are actively working to mitigate these social biases, particularly in multimodal large language models, or MLLMs, while simultaneously balancing performance and fairness. It's like baking a cake, where the goal is to achieve a balance between a delicious flavor, which is performance, and not being too sweet, representing bias. Another prominent theme is human-AI collaboration. The objective is to design AI systems that work alongside humans, augmenting human capabilities and improving decision-making processes, rather than replacing humans. An example is an artisan working with a robotic arm or AI-assisted medical triage. Several key findings are emerging from AI research. For instance, Guru et al. Found that argumentatively coherent forecasting improves accuracy. However, a performance gap exists between humans and AI in auditory tasks. Researchers have also identified a sweet spot for balancing reasoning and bias mitigation in MLLMs, while LLMs are being used to automatically discover heuristics for SAT solvers. Furthermore, AI metacognitive sensitivity can improve human decision-making. The paper of the day, Argumentatively Coherent Judgmental Forecasting by Guru et al., focuses on how predictions are made. It questions whether having the right answer is sufficient, or if the reasoning behind the answer matters. The research aims to define and evaluate argumentative coherence, acknowledging that judgmental forecasting often relies on human opinions. Coherence, in this context, is the logical consistency between arguments and a forecast. The methodology used in argumentatively coherent judgmental forecasting involved defining argumentative coherence using formal logic. The researchers evaluated the impact of coherence on both human forecasters and large language model forecasters. They also conducted crowdsourced user experiments. A key finding was that filtering out incoherent predictions improved forecast accuracy. The significance of argumentatively coherent judgmental forecasting lies in the fact that coherence improves forecasting accuracy, even if it's not intuitively obvious. Argumentation-based systems should thus filter out incoherent opinions. This has implications for designing forecasting tools and training, and it hints at ways to improve the reasoning abilities of LLMs. The core motivation is to improve the reliability and trustworthiness of forecasting. Future directions in AI research involve harmonizing large language models, bias mitigation, and human-AI collaboration. Various research themes are like individual instruments in a grand orchestra. The objective is to create synergistic effects for more powerful AI. This includes developing novel architectures that combine deep learning and symbolic AI. Ethical considerations also remain paramount as the future of AI progresses. In conclusion, we've explored the cutting edge of AI research, noting key themes like large language models, bias, collaboration, robustness, and intelligence. While challenges remain in matching human performance, the future requires attention to both the potential benefits and risks of AI. Remember to read the research and share your thoughts. This presentation was synthesized using AI tools, including a GPT model Google using model MODELS/GEMI-2.0-FLASH. The TTS synthesis was generated using DeepGram, and the image generation used OpenAI. The content was reviewed by a human expert for accuracy. However, some oversights may exist. All references are provided. Subscribe to AI Frontiers for more AI insights. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from archive preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses archive-preprint-server.org content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by archive-preprint-server.org.